I am a worker of RDO Mdabulo in a water department, but also I'm working in electronic laboratory, so it's with different kind of work, like to work with the different type of machine, including 3D printer and other. For instance, in case of 3D printer, I'm working with a different type of program, including cooler and FreeCAD. I have some experience, I can say, concerning to work with that one, this program. But sometimes when I need to find a lot of information, just I should, and I should surf the internet. For instance, watching different videos from YouTube and trying to see what other people are doing with the same machine like that 3D printer. Not many time I'm using internet only for entertainment. Many time I'm trying to use the internet for surfing different important information, like to find information concerning with my project. Many projects as I doing like farming, animal keeping. Also, I'm working in building different electric circuit. For instance, now we are in building and assemblage with different RDO staff member. We are in a building of a water prepared system. Also, not only that, we are working. I'm working with different RDO staff members. For instance, in obtaining different faults occurring in our buildings, such as electrical faults, also internet faults. But briefly, I can say that they are not using internet. Many of them, they are not using internet maybe for learning, but other they using it for entertainment only, like downloading videos, which maybe can't teach them. But I want to advise them to use internet for learning and getting different knowledge that they will improve their lives. And not only their lives, also to improve the development of the community or society.